Hi everyone, Sean here. Um, expecting a proper price action here, and because this actually we are in macro, and we can say that we are in New York AM session as well. So expecting a reversal from this point, macro plus silver bullet symbol. So the strategy that I trade actually macro silver bullet. It's inside the macro window. So that's where only I will expect the price to move for the higher or lower. Then from that onwards, with the analysis, I'll end the trade. It's very simple. Don't complicate things. So when it comes to trading, you have to learn several things. Yes, I agree with that, but don't mess up yourself, because always when it comes to trading, after you learn things, the more information cause more problems. So likewise, it will create more conflict. So the less information is always good. And yes, in analysis wise, you have to analyze, but if you start to look at in all different time frame window, then that would be the best way to trade actually, because you have to master on several time frame. Then that's when only you can identify the pattern what market is trying to create. So with that only you can enter the trade. Yes, of course you can enter the trade without even any rules and regulations. So here we are following a set of rules that indicates to focus on increasing the reward than risk. So end of the day, if your reward is more than your risk, always you can be a profitable trader. So we'll wait and see what the market is trying to create and show us. So in 15 minutes time frame, it's out of the half hourly gap. So the price moved out of the half hourly gap, and there's another buy side liquidity here. So we'll mark it out. In that case, it stays inside close to the order block as well. You see in S&P 500, it's actually already took the high. It's time actually 7:45. 7:45. I think it's very early. Like this one is 9:15. 9:15 actually. I think this one, yes, of course, took this liquidity very earlier. You can see, okay, it's a nice move in S&P 500. Let's see, but the NQ is trying to create, but S&P 500 is moving for the right now for the lower, but NQ is actually bullish today. S&P 500 is bearish today. If you want more videos to explain how to identify the strong pair and the weak pair, then I'll create another video and upload it. So at this moment, you can see that so that you can identify here, because this was the last candle that we are very low in a short time. Even it didn't touch or closer to the current price action, but when it's come to S&P 500, we can look at it here very clearly. The price creates equal low, right? So you all know that when market's creating liquidity, it will at some point it will come back to collect all the liquidity. Then only it will move to the actual direction. Okay, NQ took this high, but yes, not yet. We'll see. Okay, yes, also took the high. Actually, this is the trading window that are trading from 10:50 to 11:10 macro. That's one only. We'll look at the trades. We'll look for trades. Okay, the body failed to create. It's outside of the range. We'll see. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the body creates above the previous high. Great. Let's see what NQ creates here. NQ also went for the higher than ES. So this is the reason I said that today NQ is bullish and ES is bearish. So if you are looking for long, then better to long from NQ, and if you are looking for short, then better to take the trade on ES. Let's see, standing liquidity is staying above. At this point, we are in for our value gap. That's all. So actually, obviously, there's another inverse value gap as well. So instead 50% of this hourly gap and moving for the higher. It's very clean, you can see that, but we'll see. It's body above the hourly gap and 50% that it hits the currency encouragement as well. We'll see. So still we are in for hourly gap. Other than that, we don't have any concerns here. But NQ, there's another buy side liquidity testing above. There are some possibilities that NQ can take this high and then cross from here. So that's what I'm anticipating. Okay, that's 9% fair gap, but we have to wait till the candle close, so then only we can end the trade. If the body closes below the fair value gap, then we'll end the trade. And NQ, yes. So still inside the fair value gap, yes. And NQ is outside of the fair value gap. The body closes outside of the fair value gap, but from this area, it's crossing back to the point. Seems like the price wants to take this high side, buy side liquidity. So we'll see. Because if there's any buy side liquidity above closer to this area, then this is not that much. Even like you can see that it's just 7 pips. It's come to ES, it's very less. So there are possibilities. You can take all the stops and then move into the right direction. If the price closes below this, then we can look for